What's up, traders? Before we dive into the video, I just want to quickly remind you guys about our Black Friday sale that is taking place from now until November 29th at 12 a.m. Eastern. You can now use the code BFCM, which stands for Black Friday Cyber Monday, to get 20% off everything site-wide other than one-on-one mentorship. So make sure to take advantage of that, and I hope to see you in the private community very soon. Cheers. What's up, traders? Zach here from the Trading Network. I hope you guys are doing well. I have a special video for you guys today, as I'm going to be showing you guys two simultaneous trades that were taken 100% hands-free by our new algorithm that we have created based on Trading Network trading strategies. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to speed up this video and show you these trades that the algo took that was able to lock in about $4,000, once again, hands-free in a matter of about 40 to 50 minutes. Now, I want to preface this video with the fact that algorithms are truly a rabbit hole if you don't have an appropriate system to develop algos with. It is imperative that you are recording variables, you are understanding that there are an immense amount of variables when building an algorithm, and this algo, both on the 377 and the 1 minute chart that I will show you today, have gone through rigorous testing, both back testing and live testing, as well as optimization, to ensure that the strategies are in their highest quality form or their highest probability form in regards to the settings of the different indicators and the entry triggers and the exit triggers, etc. So you will see here that these algos, or this algo, however you want to think about it, this has started a trade with two contracts. It has exited profit. It has pulled profit on one of these contracts already and is in for one on this one, and it's in for two on the 1 minute, or I'm sorry, the 377. So you will see eventually that this algo automatically takes 50% profit, and then it begins to trail its stop. And you will see that the way that the algorithm trails the stop loss enables the ability for price to capture a much larger move while still maintaining proper risk management, while still locking in a certain amount of profit. You can see here in this example, the trade is in at 863. The stop loss is already at 840, so it's already locking in substantial profit after securing one contract. So you can see we have realized P&L $695 here, and unrealized P&L $765. And on this one, the algo was actually in the red before this trade was taken. I know it might be shocking, but even if you make a profitable algorithm, guess what? It still takes losing trades. The risk and the trade management just has to be proper in order for the numbers to work themselves out in your favor. So I will click play here, and I will fast forward, and I'll just change the speed here. Let's go to 2x first and foremost, even though that's not going to be nearly enough. And I will show you how this works and how this algo, I'm not going to give you the secret sauce, but I'll show you if you can either get access to an algorithm like this, which our private Discord members will be getting access to this very soon, then you can take advantage of high probability trade setups 100% hands-free, entirely automated. Sure, they require some babysitting, especially at first, but once you see that these algos work properly, especially over a large sample size, especially watching them operate live, then you can begin to trust them that much more and allow them to just do the job for you. So you can see here that this, once again, I'll go back just so you guys can see how the 377 algo is in for two. Now watch what happens. It will very, very soon, it will take profit on one contract. Boom, there it is. It's out for one. The stop is in profit, and risk has been mitigated by moving that stop a little bit above break even, and it will consistently move as price continues to move in the favor of the trade or in the direction of the trade. So you can see that this now has $341 negative P&L, as it was, I think, about $650 in the red before that. And this has already realized $695 profit with about $800 rolling P&L as well. So I will continue to fast forward because I don't want to waste your guys' time and make you sit here for 40 minutes watching this algo trade play out. But I want to show you that if you truly have a profitable system and you have, of course, the proper developers that understand the workflow to develop an indicator, or develop indicators for a strategy or use already made indicators for a strategy and how you can implement those to basically work 100% automated without touching it, then you can very likely have that strategy or have your bread and butter strategy work for you without needing to babysit, without needing to take trades manually. Of course, I am both manually trading and running algos, but I think that, the idea of trading, with a bot or with an algo or hands-free is a pipe dream for a lot of people because they don't understand the workflow and they don't understand how much time, optimization, dedication, research, recording of variables actually goes into something like this. And that is why we are bringing this to availability for our private community, because most people, they want to get their hands on a profitable algorithm, but it's a pretty large undertaking, especially if you don't have really experienced developers to work with that are creating your code, that are working on your code, etc. It's much, much more difficult, for what it's worth, to find somebody on like Fiverr or even Upwork to really have motivation to help you build a profitable algorithm if you're just, paying them by the hour, for example. So I am working with very, very talented developers who have experience creating algorithms, who have experience in the markets, who understand what it takes to build a robust system from scratch. And that is why we are having such incredible results with this algo in particular. So this, once again, was on our live stream. You can see that I have, algo running here on the 377 and 1 minute tick charts. The 377 tick chart and 1 minute time-based chart. And a lot of times I'll just pull this up on stream and allow people in the Discord to watch the algo trade. If I'm done for the day or if I'm, taking a break or anything like that, I'll leave this up on stream. So while I am not encouraging people to trade, based on what the algo is doing, at the very least, you can learn and watch and see how a profitable algorithm operates. So that's really what I'm bringing to you guys today, a sneak preview of what a lot of folks in the private Discord get to see, and just let you guys know that if you do want to get access to this algorithm in any form, you will need to be members of our private Discord. So you can see here, this trade is really, it works out very, very nicely. And the stop loss continues to get pulled down as the trade goes further and further into profit here, right? You can see the stop loss moving. You can see that happening on both the 377 and 1 minute charts. At this point, $1,700 rolling profit on one contract on NQ, $1,200 rolling profit on another. These are on two separate accounts just to make sure that, the algo doesn't, running the algo on the 1 minute doesn't mess with the trade that it's already in on the 377 and vice versa. So that's why I have these both up on separate accounts running together. So you can see here that the way that this stop loss is trailing is very, very powerful. It enables the price or the market in general to continue to move, especially if it's directional, while not having too tight of a stop. And you guys, might be curious, hey, why is the stop so loose on some of these? Well, wouldn't you like to know? That's part of the secret sauce. The stop loss moves based on how price is moving, and you'll see how beneficial it can be in a scenario like this when especially the market is volatile, right? So I'm going to continue to fast forward. You can see at this point we've got $2,200 rolling P&L on this one. We've got $1,700 rolling on this. Just continuing to do nothing and allow, the algorithm to do the job for us. And this is, this is something that a lot of people don't get to see or get to experience because, once again, most people never get to the point of having a profitable algorithm that they can watch run live repeatedly over a large sample size. And again, of course, it takes losing trades, but if your winning trades significantly outweigh the losers, well, then you're going to be profitable over time. So we are more than halfway through this video, and I'm going to stop it after, these trades close. But I wanted to give you guys this information, tell you that, profitable algorithms are not a pipe dream. If you have the proper system, if you understand how to build algos. If you don't understand how to build algos or you don't have a system, well, then you can join a community like ours and get access to an already created profitable algo. So you can see here that price does start to pick up. The stop loss is trailing at this point almost 100 points in profit on this one contract, right? Look at this. In at 863. Stop loss is at 759. This algo has captured a massive, massive move. And on the 377, we are in at 836. And the stop loss is at 772. Still an amazing trade. And this is something, once again, that I wanted to show you guys to show you what's possible when you truly put the work in, when you truly understand the system to build an algorithm, when you understand the variables, when you record everything properly and use that to continually tweak, continually move the numbers around, and make sure after rigorous testing, once again, that this is profitable and sustainable. That is exactly what we have done here. We have created an algorithm that works in all market conditions, that while it doesn't do as good on some days as it does today, over time, over the large sample size, it is tremendously profitable. It has a great hit rate, and it is going to be a great tool for folks in the Trading Network private Discord that get to take advantage of this. So you can see here, the trade on the 1 minute chart is out. It was in here, pulled one here, and finally out with a trailing stop right around here. And very, very shortly, you will see that the same situation happens with the 377. We actually have a specific time to cut the algorithm off before the market closes, before the volume dies off for the day. And that's what you see here. We have an automatic close time, and it is out right there. So in total, $27.90 on the 1 minute algorithm and $1,326 on the 377 tick algorithm. So I hope this gives you a bit of an insight on the potential for algos. I hope it gives you a little bit of insight on what's coming for the TTN private community members. There is a lot of amazing stuff on the horizon, and I am very happy to share just this little bit with you today. So with all of that said, as always, I want to thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch this content. If you do like what you see, please feel free to like, subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified every single time that we post videos here on the channel. If you guys want to learn more about joining our private community or any of the products we offer, check out thetradingnetwork.io, where you can purchase access to our most popular offering, the TTN Pro Trader Bundle, which includes lifetime Discord access, the Fundamentals of Futures Trading course, and the TTN Proprietary Indicator Package. You can, of course, purchase all of these products standalone on our website as well, even with payment plans. And in addition to those, you can also purchase access to one-on-one mentorship with me on our website. Thank you guys very much for taking the time. I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.